looking for this kind of video, I understand the fact that you might have heard about Contra.com or trying to look for more info about what Contra is and how you can actually get your job done, or how to get hired on Contra Freelancing platform. So in this video, I'll be showing you what Contra is and the features, the success stories, the commission fee, the frequently asked questions, and the tips and guides about Contra.com. So if you are new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. And don't forget to share this video to anyone who is into freelancing and looking for a way to showcase or extend their freelancing career over some kind of platform and extend it to Contra platform. So as you can see, this particular person here, if you are into freelancing and you have do a lot of research, I'm very sure you will know this person, which is Alec Sandra Fasulo, who is a freelancer on Fiverr and also have a group on Facebook which is called Freelance Fairy Tale. So you understand more and see more information about freelancing and what people are actually saying about freelancing and how much people are making and the kind of problem people are facing through freelancing career. So that is just by the way. So but in this video we will be looking into how Contra actually works, the features, the success stories, the commission fee, the frequently asked questions, and the tips and guides in order for you to secure a job on the platform. So, and there is also the company mission, careers, and newsroom as well. So the drops, which is latest video, and state of independence and discover as well. So I will explain everything in details so you'll be able to understand what the platform is actually all about. So this is independent and this is IAN. So I switch to currently on independent if I actually want to work on Contra, and if I'm looking to hire someone, so I'll just click on here, so it will switch to hiring. So that means if I actually want to hire a freelancer on the platform. So as you can see here, so I can scroll down to see what Contra is all about and all that. So but then I will be switching to an independent because I understand the fact that most people that will be watching this video are freelancer who is trying to make more money online. So that's why I will be using the independent feature. So like I said earlier on, so we have to look into all these features, drop downs as well. So then this is okay, this is how Contra works. So Contra features, so a new way to work. So create and monetize your new project based on collaborative and professional identity. This is just like a resume to showcase your profile, the work you have done so far, and the kind of company you have actually worked with, so that showing all those kind of past projects will make you land your first project and more other on Contra platform. So you can see never create another resume. So this is just like a resume platform for you, and once you have enough information about your profile, you have past projects, you have the clients you actually work with, and the amount you are actually charging, the platform will actually match you to the right brands or company who are looking for the kind of service you are rendering on the platform. So this is get paid projects with services. So you get paid on kind of project you are rendering on the platform. So and also measure, improve, and repeat. So you can actually look into some of your competitors, so you'll be able to understand how to price and what you need to improve on your own profile in order to land a job as soon as possible. So that is that for the how Contra actually works. So we'll switch on to so the success story. So this is the success page which says that Contra success story. So here we have our independent client. So I can switch on to projects and services here. So with that, it will change the page. So as you can see here, so I'll just use the project so you can be able to see what's going on here. So this is 30 independent copy.ai ongoing blog content. So this brand actually hire 30 freelancers to write a blog content. So as you can see here, and this is Alex as well in this page. So let's try to open and see what's in there. So we'll be able to understand how Contra actually works. So here, scrolling down, this success stories features a project between a client and an independent that connected on Contra. So the non-professional community for flexible remote and opportunities. So as you can see, this is the client. The client is copy.ai, which is copywriting tools. So this is kind of like AI intelligence. So they are kind of like auto copywriting content. If you input, I don't know if you have an idea about, or if you are into copywriting, you'll be able to understand what AI actually means. So these are the 30 independent freelancers that have worked with this client. So as you can see, as I mentioned earlier on, that if you have a professional profile, Contra will definitely match you to the right freelancer. So and once they match you to the right clients, if you have a professional profile, Contra will match you to the right client, and then you'll be able to get more jobs. So that is how Contra works. So this is not like some other freelancing platform that you have to publish different kind of gigs or trying to send a proposal before you can actually land your first sale or any project on the platform. So there is another one which is Contra Bonicate and some other icon creating projects. So same thing goes to this one as well, and this and this and this. So this is how, these are the success stories. These are the completed projects that was done on Contra platform, which are very, very great. So moving from that, we are going to we are going to the commission fee. So how does Contra commission fee actually work? So the way it should be. So yeah, so this is how they actually works. So with Contra you lose no money. So with other platforms you might lose like $20,000 based on 20% commission fee. So if you work on Fiverr, any project that you did on Fiverr platform, if you are between level 1 to level 2 seller or no level, so you will be charged $20 based on any other amounts you get or on the platform. And on Upwork you will be charged 20% as well. And if you make like $1,000 or $500 with a single client, you'll be able to, they will charge you 10% on the order, so which you have the 90%. But on Fiverr, until you reach top rated seller before they charge you 10% of your work, and then they pay you between 7 days, I guess. So that is the difference between Contra and then other platform. So same thing goes to this. I'm trying to increase this earnings so we'll be able to understand if Contra charge money at all or not. So as you can see here, moving this to the last edge here, they charge no amount. But how do they make their own money? I guess maybe they charge from the clients only, not from the freelancer, so which is a single part way of making money. But on other platforms, they charge both buyer and the sellers, which is the client and the independent. So which sounds like, and how much those people, those freelancing platform are actually making a lot of money. So these are the difference between Contra and other freelancing platforms that charge no money at all. So moving from that, you understand the commission fee and why you should freelance on Contra platform. So the next thing is the tips, which is the guide, the tips and the guide. So yeah, so this is the tips and the guide to help you on your freelancing on Contra. So these are the things you actually need to check into anytime you're actually trying to freelance on the platform. So this is the guide to write the perfect deliverable. Welcome to Contra. Build your online identity, and guide to project, guide to services, getting discovered on Contra, which is very, very important, because if you don't get discovered on the platform, there is no way you can land your first sales or first order on the platform. So this is also the guides to analysis. So this is very, very important as well. So you'll be able to monitor your account if it's actually going up or not. So then you'll be able to know what you need to fix on the platform or on your profile, so that your profile can get notified on the platform. So how to write a winning pitch. So this is also important, but like I said earlier, you don't need to write any pitch once your profile is well perfect and well set up. So you will definitely get a project or order automatically. So how to use TikTok jumps. So I had no idea about this, but then I guess it's just a tips on about Contra. So how to post a top tier opportunities. So setting up payment options. So guide to Contra wallet, hiring your next TikTok content creators, guide to crypto payouts. So those are the things you actually need to look into if you are actually interested in some of them. So, and I have also made another video back then, so which might also help you on setting up your Contra profile. You can find the video in the top right corner or left side here, so you'll be able to get more idea on Contra and how it actually works. So that is that. And also scrolling down, you can see some company brands that have worked with Contra platform. So they are very, very legit, and I can assure you that. So scrolling down as well, you see different kind of projects that have been done on the platform. So these are some screenshots to show you that the platform is very, very legit and it's actually working. Using Alex Fast Flow on the platform means that they're actually doing great. And in the last month, I understand more about Alex, and she's kind of a person that wants every freelancers to make or earn their full money on what they actually work for. So she actually don't like when a freelancer being charged for working on the project. So, and she actually launched a new Facebook group, which is a secret Facebook group whereby you will join with just $1. Then you have access to that group, and you'll be able to get more jobs within the group. So I think the idea is very, very nice. So, and the $1 is just for 1 month. So after 1 month, you still be charged another $1 again. So it depends on the kind of payment method you're actually using though. So, but that is how the Facebook actually works. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding Contra kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.